Savitri Pranayam is a beautiful one if coupled with the hydrotherapy to reverse snoring. I'm getting a lot of messages saying my husband snores a lot. Whoever sleeps next to you snores a lot. Or someone sleeping next to me is complaining that I'm snoring. For any of those, Savitri Pranayam along with hydrotherapy is very, very useful. This Savitri Pranayam has to be done in Ujjayi if we are trying to reverse snoring. Snoring can be very erratic. There are days when one can be snoring, and there are days when one would just stop. Start breathing in Ujjayi now, the throat breath. Make a sound as you inhale and exhale with a friction in the throat. Hold the inhalation. Exhale. Inhale again. There has to be a very, very big friction. Someone sitting even like 6 feet away from you should be able to hear your inhale and exhale. That big should be the rub. Ujjayi itself has innumerable benefits. Now come into the mudra to reverse snoring, continuing to keep eyes closed. Make your hands into fists with thumbs in. Close the forefingers like a mushti, a tight fist. Adi mudra. It can be on either side of the shoulders or it can be rested on your thighs, on your lap. Starting with Savitri Pranayam now. Inhale in Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale in Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold in Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4. 7 is to 4 is to 9 is to 4. In Ujjayi, the throat breath, the puraks, that is the inhalation of 7, and the rechaks, that is the exhalation of 9, have to be in Ujjayi, in Adi Mudra.